Hey everyone, this is Judi with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. This video I'm going to be decorating the week of December 5th through the 11th in the horizontal planner, the classic size horizontal planner that I use for hand lettering inspirational quotes. It really is fun to just spend an hour focusing on doing an internet search on inspirational quotes. It helps no matter how bad your mood is. It'll be a tiny little bit, at least, less bad if you spend an hour reading inspirational quotes, in my opinion. So anyway, I will show you a filled out spread at the end of the video. I haven't been filling them out this year because I've been doing my Sunday hand lettering videos. I will have completed here in the next couple weeks 2 full years of hand lettering instructional videos. Those are not going anywhere, but I am not going to do a 3rd year. I do, however, want to make sure I continue to use those hand lettering quotes so that they don't get stale. So this is going to be the vehicle for that. The theme I'm going to go with is brought to us by Plannable December 2022, and I actually changed themes on this about 3 times. I was thinking music. And then I was thinking Blue Christmas, I was thinking Dashing Through the Snow, and as I was looking, the most recent was Dashing Through the Snow, and as I was looking for stickers for that one, I came across, this is the new Winter Collections book from Amber Plans Her Day. I came across these beautiful nighttime stickers with little hits of green in the pine trees, and since there's green on the page, I thought these worked the best. I don't have brush pens I can do a blackout spread with, so this is going to have to be good enough. So we're going to use these stickers. I'm going to white out this week just like I always do, and then start with a nice big sticker over that whiteout. So I love this one with the nighttime sky and the snow. There are a couple more, but this is the biggest one, and so I want to make sure and cover that whiteout well. So we're going to go ahead and use this one. I'm grabbing my super pointy tweezers. These are linked in the description box. These are actually for dealing with artificial eyelashes, but the small shop stickers from like Amber Plans Her Day and kellofaplan and Live Love Posh, they're super thin, which is great, but sometimes it can be a little bit difficult to get them started. Super pointy tweezers help a ton with that. So I'm just going to come as far into the corner as well, no, I'm going to just center it here. There we go. All right. Yes, love that. Totally masked the whiteout. I did also pull some washi tape. This is simply Gilded washi tape. I don't remember what year or the name of it, but it's so obviously a little cityscape at night. I thought it would work really well with what I've got going on here. So let's cover notes. So what I do is I include a box, 2 on each side of the spread, for writing the information whenever I Google or do an internet search on famous quotes, inspirational quotes, a lot of times they tell you who the person was that they attribute that quote to, and I really do like to give credit where credit is due, so I will include that information when I can. Let's go ahead and use stickers from here. So I want to come over to here. Let's grab a short one like this to include, and I'm going to go ahead and let it hit Sunday and then come back up past the 11th because well, actually I don't really need to. So what I want to do is I want to bring a box down here to cover up that little bit of whiteout. So let's grab one of these. I think, let's see, I only need 4. I think we'll use this smaller size. So I've got a big hit of dark blue there, and there's a lot of green on the trees. So let's go with a gray one. So I'm going to come down as far as I need to just barely cover that whiteout. There we go. And then what I'll do is I'll write one big word here, and that'll be the search term I use for all these quotes to tie them all together. So I'll do inspirational quote night. That'll be my search, and that'll give me a bunch of quotes that have to do with nighttime. I'm going to slide this one over since it's wider than the box as far as I can without needing to punch it. I don't want to have to dig my punch out. So we'll just sit it right there on top of the box. Perfect. Okay. So next let's come over here. And I think I do want to do another box over here. So let's look for something to go with it. So it is nighttime. I'm going to have trouble not having a big bunch of super dark boxes. This one looks okay. It's got a different shade of blue. It looks like it's kind of heading toward nighttime. So we'll grab this one. And I think I want to put it with a green box. So yeah, I think we'll put it right here. This is going to be a quick spread. Usually my horizontals are pretty quick. It actually takes me much more time to write on them than to decorate them, because in a lot of ways the writing is an integral part of the decoration. So, and I do like to leave myself as much room as possible. Let's peel this sticker up and throw a little white out on that green line. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Here it was super dark. I didn't need to. I don't like the distraction of it, of the sky there over top of that green line. So that's so much better. Okay. Okay, so I got 2 boxes so I can put one big sticker here. My only hit of blue, dark, bold color is there, so we can do, I'm thinking one of these round ones. I love this one. Let's put this one there. Oh, you know what? I haven't used any of my washi tape yet. I gotta use some washi tape. Or not use it at all. I can't have no washi tape on this side and a bunch on that side. So let's see here. Yeah, I don't really need it. Maybe I won't end up using washi tape. I don't know. So again, sliding over as close as I can to the discs. Do I need a little white out? No, not really. It just barely touches the green line. So maybe I don't need the washi tape, because I don't really want to, I don't think I need it. Okay, so coming over here to the other side, let's see. I always struggle with mirror image or same spots. You know what I mean? I always struggle with that. What did I do? Yeah, it looks like I did. Just wondering what I did last week. So either way, I've got boxes in the middle 2 here. So let's put boxes in the top and bottom on this one. I've got dark there. So let's try to do, how about this gray? This nice short gray. Getting my pointy tweezers. And then we'll do a super dark blue box. I haven't used a dark blue one yet. Okay, so let's put this down. Let's see, how much space do I need? It's okay with me if the clear part of the sticker covers up Monday a little bit. I don't mind that at all. Oh, plenty of room. Now see, here's where I could put a little bit of washi, or I could just move that sticker down a little bit, because it looks a little funny with that gap in between. So let's try. There we go. Let's try just moving this down. That's pretty, that's okay. All right, so now we're coming over here. We do not need a box. Oh, I like this one, the black. It's pretty tall too. Let's use this one. Okay, this is just going to be so super quick, this spread, because these stickers are just the right size to not need extra stuff with them, you know. Okay, I think I want a round sticker over here, and so that leaves me with this one. Yep, it just fits. Again, these are the perfect size to just I mean, the only thing quicker than a spread like this is the one where I just do the flowers or whatever down the center. So, all right. Last but not least, we need either a gray, I think a green box, because I've got gray right there, and I've already got blue on that page. So let's grab a green box, and then we need something to go with it. So I really like this, but it's so, so big. There's this one, which I already have that round right there. I feel like these two look too similar to have one right there. I really just want this one. What if I put the box overlapping the sticker a little bit? We can do that. Because this one matches that one. I don't want them right beside each other. I think this one's definitely the one I need to use. So let's put it down as far as we can and over to the discs as far as we can. Let's do it on camera so you all can see what I'm doing. Okay, and I need to white this out underneath. There. Okay, and then I'm thinking I want to just kind of, I can overlap this a little bit and it'll look okay. It'll be okay, you know? There. And I still have all this room to write my quote. So there we go. That was crazy fast. Let me put it in my planner and show you one that I have already filled out. I am very excited to use these next year. So there we go. There is my Silent Night spread. Let's go to one from last year, like I said. So I had a pinched nerve and my whole right side, even down into my leg, was numb for a while. And so I had to cut back on my hand lettering because having my elbow up, my arm up on my desk was not good. So I stopped doing them. I'm going to use them next year. They'll be off, the days will be off by one number, but honestly, I'm not scheduling or doing anything time sensitive in here, so that's not going to bother me at all. So I'll just turn to the appropriate week and just be surprised by the decorations and see what one word it inspires me, and it inspires in me, and then I'll do a search and I'll fill it out. So here you can see I wrote the word ocean, which obviously goes with the stickers. I picked colors of pens that went with the stickers, and then all of the quotes are tied to this word. So let the sea set you free, let the waves carry you where the light cannot, and we know who we attribute that quote to, so I filled it in. I need vitamin C, a little pun there. Life is like the ocean, it goes up and down. And keeping in mind that at this point I had less than a year of hand lettering practice under my belt, so it just really is, it's nice to have a safe space aside from your planner. Since these pens aren't erasable, if you mess it up, that can be kind of intimidating. So if you've been working on your hand lettering, but you have yet to take the leap and use it in your planner, I get it. I absolutely get it. I practiced for months before I took the plunge and actually wrote in my planner for the first time, and then I hated it. So I get it. I started doing this, A, because I had a beautiful horizontal planner I really wanted to use somehow. B, because when you have a stressful bad day, I found that reading inspirational quotes helped a little bit. And C, I have whiteout here. There are places in here where I have whiteout where I messed up. And then I used a little whiteout and I wrote over it. I doubt we're gonna get, it's not super often, but it is in here. Like here, I messed up the S. S's have been my bane for a long, long time, but it doesn't stand out really a lot. It might bug you that 1 week, but once you move on, I mean, and you go and look back through, there's another one. You know, it's not gonna be huge in the big scheme of things. It's not going to be huge. So anyway, I hope you like this video. I hope it gives you some ideas on how you can incorporate your hand lettering in a safe way into your planner. And you don't have to be working on brush lettering. You can just be trying to have neater lettering, and this is a place where you focus specifically on that. You slow way down, and you just see what you're capable of. So if you do like this video, please consider liking, subscribing, giving me a thumbs up, dropping me a smiley face or a word or two. All of those interactions with my video help me with the YouTube algorithm and are a great way to help support me and my channel. Thank you.